Tucked away on the rugged coast of Nusa Penida lies a masterpiece of nature, Broken Beach. Despite its name, there's nothing broken about it. This stunning natural arch was shaped over centuries by the power of the ocean. The result? A perfect circular cove where the sea flows in and out like a secret lagoon. No swimming here. The waves are wild and the cliffs stand tall, but the view, absolutely unforgettable. Pair this with nearby Angel's Billabong, and you've got a dreamlike adventure waiting to be explored. This is Broken Beach, where nature's artistry meets the endless blue of Bali.